let's take a look at this problem. It says a computer can be classified as either cutting edge or ancient. 91% of customers classified as ancient. Now, instead of ancient, I'm going to say old. So probability that you're going to have an old one is 0.91. And even though they're not technically correct, let me say old and new. It's easiest to keep this very simple words, even if it's not technically the same. Well, if it's 91% probability it's old, then it's a 9% chance it's new. They have to add up to 100%. Okay, part A. Two computers are chosen at random. What is probably both computers are ancient? So they're looking at the first one is old and the second one is old. There's an implied and there. Both computers are ancient. So the first one we pick is old and the second one's old. Now, and is always multiplication. So we're going to take probability the first one is old is 0.91. Times, that's what the and does. The second one being old is 0.91. And let me plug out my calculator here. .8281. Okay. C. 6 computers are chosen, probably that all 6 are old. Okay. So we're saying the first one's old, and second one's old, and third one's old, and so on. There's 6 of them. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're multiplying all those together, so I could do 0.91 times itself 6 times, or just simply do 0.91 to the 6th power, and then whatever that give you. Now C. What is probably at least one of the 6 randomly selected computers is cutting edge? So we'll say new. So at least one of the 6 is new. So at least one is new. Now whenever you see that at least one, you're going to follow these steps right here. We're going to rewrite this as 1 minus probability as none are new. At this point, they're all 1 minus probability of none. That's the same on every problem. And whatever wording is right here, try to keep it as a single word, will match this. Then we're going to rewrite 1 minus probability of, when we say 1 minus probability of none new, then we switch the none to all. And the new becomes the opposite of what it was. So opposite of new is old. So we got 1 minus, and how many did we say? At least one, 6. So probability it's one of them is old is 0.91. And however many we're talking about, we're saying six computers? Yeah, 6 computers, so we have 6 power there. And then whatever that gives you when that's your answer. Now part D is just referring, or this part right here, is just asking us that if the probability is less than 5%. If it would, then it would be unusual.